What's going on, guys? It is Tanner1 bringing you another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple but useful trick that you can use with the Notepad text editor. So let's just make a simple text document. Okay, and now we'll open it. Now, when you're writing something, of course you can just go edit, insert time, and you can just keep doing that. But here's a more simple way to do it. I'm going to show you how to make Notepad do that automatically. So you just open your text document, right? And then you type in dot and then log in all caps. Alright, there you go. So now you can just write something. Then you save it, you close it, you reopen it. There you go. So as you can see, it just keeps logging the date and the time. So thank you for watching and have a nice October.